Hi, I'm Jamie Venlet with Multicam Great Lakes in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we're talking about the APEX3R with the 13.3 horsepower spindle HSK63 ER40. We are machining the King Color Core product and we are doing it very fast. We're running a single pass, 800 inches a minute, cutting it out, then kissing it with taking an 03 off with a 200 inches a minute afterwards and leaving just a very butter smooth edge. In this project we're using 7 different tools, variable tools from 60 to 90 degree V cutters to a chamfer tool, several different tools to produce a high quality product. We're machining away some of the white to expose black, machining some of the black to expose white, just to really make this product pop. This is a formerly printed job that we wanted to bring into a 2.5D space to kind of have some of those depths cause that to pop out, and that's what we've done here today. On this machine, this is our bread and butter. We have a series below this, we have series above this, but the APEX3R is our most sold product. On this machine we have an automatic tool changer. It is technically a option, but very rarely is it sold without. The tool changer is a quick process as compared to popping tools in with 2 wrenches, cracking it loose, having to replace it. That's a laborious process versus the automatic tool changer. We've added something onto here. This is a laser crosshair. It's one of those things where, because we make so many different products, we make routers, plasmas, lasers, water jets, and high-speed knife cutters, we get a lot of what I call cross-technology contamination. So in the plasma world, when we first started making plasmas, we did very well, but we were missing some things that we just didn't know about. Things like a laser crosshair that they often use. Things like rotation. You don't put a very thick, heavy sheet of steel up on a table and expect to move that sheet around to get it square with a machine. Once we added these rotational features and crosshairs, we realized how easy it is to put on the router where it's not required, but it's nice. This machine is our bread and butter. It's the most sold by far. We also have series above this and series below this, but this is our bread and butter.